Hi guys, I'm here making my first video, and as the cool kids say, let's get into this shindig. Okay, what do we have here? We have sir, why in the world are you taking apart a perfectly good piece of chain? You know, somebody else just wasted all their hard work and time on this. Why are you dismantling this? Oh, well, look at that nifty piece of machinery right there. Oh, it's bright. Oh, God, it's bright. Oh, what's going on here? Is that an anvil? It's an anvil. Oh, that's super hot. He's cutting into this. Oh, this video is going fast. Why are you going so fast, sir? Sir! Jesus. Can't even keep up with this. You know, how am I supposed to watch this if you're going this fast? Slow down, sir. Oh, lay off the drugs, my goodness. What is he doing with his foot now? Is he tapping along to this? Oh, gee golly willikers, that's hot. Why is he going super... Sir, slow down! What in the world is he making? It's pointy. It's weird looking. This man obviously needs help. He's on something very, very disturbing. Now, why is he wearing red shoes? What are red shoes? He's grabbing a ridiculously hot piece of metal with his bare hands. This man has very, very tough hands. Very tough hands. Now he's laying a piece of paper and spray painting a piece of paper over what he just made. Why are you... I'm so confused. Beyond belief. I'm baffled. Now he's sanding the spray paint off of what he... Do you not know what you're doing, sir? I mean, my goodness. Well, folks, I think I've had enough of watching this. I'll stay tuned for another